Meaning of graphology.
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 Graphology. Graphology is the study of handwriting, with the belief that handwriting can reveal an individual's personality traits, character, and even potential for success in various aspects of life. It is a controversial field, with some claiming it to be a pseudoscience lacking empirical evidence, while others argue that it can provide useful insights. Graphologists analyze the size, slant, pressure, spacing, and other features of handwriting to interpret psychological characteristics. While some experts claim that graphology can provide a valuable tool for understanding personality, others believe it lacks credibility and should not be relied upon as a standalone diagnostic tool.